Hey guys, today I'm excited to share with you the sump pump that I just received. We use this particular sump pump to help drain out our hot tub in 10 minutes rather than 10 hours by just letting it naturally flow out with the hose. So what's awesome about this, completely submersible, all you have to do is connect the power and connect a hose. So this is the unit itself, everything that it comes with. Instruction manual as well. You've got two different attachments for the type of hose that you want to use. Plug it in, extra long, super durable cord, and then you submerge it at an angle. So then you submerge it down and then drop it into your hot tub. And then it has the float here. So then the float is the indicator, so the machine will shut off when there is not enough water level to suck out. So let's empty out the hot tub in 10 minutes rather than 10 hours. Enjoy!